Hi there, in this video, you will learn about how to automate adding guests to Google Calendar events with Fanatical Foresight. Manually adding guests to every Google Calendar event can be time-consuming and error-prone, especially for recurring team meetings or project events. Missing key participants can affect collaboration and decision-making. That's where Fanatical Foresight comes in. Fanatical Foresight automates the guest invitation process in Google Calendar. You can set predefined guests to be added automatically to events, saving time and ensuring no one is left out. Let's dive in and see how it works. Sign into Fanatical Foresight with your Google account. Go to the Templates page. Search for Automatically Add Guests to New Calendar Events template and click on it. In the Automatically Add Guests to New Calendar Events page, click the Copy rule. For the first-time use of the template rule, and dialog action needed will display requesting necessary permissions required to copy the rule. Click Connect with Google and authorize the permissions. Upon authorization, a dialog titled Copy of Automatically Add Guests to New Calendar Events will display. In the New Calendar Event screen, in Calendars, select the calendar you want to monitor for new events. Click Add Event Attendee from the rule graph. In the Add Event Attendee screen, in Guest Email, enter the attendee's email address. Click Add Event Attendee 1 from the rule graph. In the Add Event Attendee 1 screen, enter the attendee's email address in Guest Email field. Optional. To add more guests to the calendar event, click Add Next Action, select Add Event Attendee Action and enter the attendee's email address in the Guest Email field. Click Review. In the Review screen, customize the automation rule name. Click Create. The rule is created in the Rules page. Verify automation. In order to guarantee that your rule configuration automates as intended, it is imperative to conduct a basic test. The steps outlined below demonstrate how Fanatical Foresight automates the process of adding guests to Google Calendar events automatically. Note, for demonstration purposes, please send one or multiple Google Calendar event invitations to yourself from another account. The rule will be triggered upon receiving a new calendar event invitation in Google Calendar. Once the rule is triggered, you will get a notification on the top right of. In the notification message, click View Log. In the Log Details page, the Rule History section explains the automation history and task Fanatical Foresight has automated on behalf of your Google account. Optional, open your Google Calendar and verify Fanatical Foresight automatically adds the desired user to the guest list to new calendar events. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. Please visit xfanatical.com.